All right. This is Dad Random. How you doing? And what I have for you today here is the Vantrue. This is the Mirror 2 dash cam, and the Vantrue is definitely one of my favorite brands. So let's check it out. Let's see what's inside the box. Here we go. Let's just look at the outside really quick. Rear view video streaming, 1440 front, 1080p rear, dead zone free rear view video streaming, 11.8-inch touch screen. So this is a touch screen model. It says root and speed track with GPS. So good. This one comes with the GPS. Super capacitor, Sony Starvis image sensor. So this is going to be good for low light, and we're going to definitely check that out. So let's go ahead and let's remove it from its sliding case here, and we can get this thing out of here. Puppies, and she sometimes gets, they sometimes put things in tight. There we go. Slide that out of there. Put that up front there so we can see it. This is Vantrue, and true to its word. Ooh, look at that. That's kind of cool right there. Check that out. We got a little bit of a little magnet right there. Also got some lighting issue right there going on. But here we go. There it is. That's very typical of a mirror cam right there. This is a lot like ones I've seen in the past. And get that out of there. It's got. But this is a touch screen sensor. Sometimes I like to try to start it up, but nope. It says, please read user manual. Thank you for choosing. Slide up and down, left and right. So very cool. I always liked, and this thing's built pretty good. There is the rear camera. Not a very big aperture. We don't know yet. We're going to see, but this is 2.7K. Let's see what it says in the back, if it gives us any FCC information. Model M2, power input, DC 5 volts, 2.5 amps. So that's what that's saying right there. USB mini, not micro or USB-C. I can see that right away. I wish this had USB-C. Everything is going USB-C these days, so it would have been nice to see this USB-C as well, like their other products. Let's go ahead and open it up. A lot of times when they use these connectors, there's a durability issue with them. But this is a 512 gig card slot, so that's a good thing. Go ahead and put that up there. GPS unit. There it is. There's the GPS. This is the cable. I'd like to see a DIN connector so I can connect it to the power block, but this could be modified for that purpose. If you're into wiring, you can definitely hot wire this in. But this is cigarette lighter monitor, and there's the connector. I've installed one similar to this. Install tool. There's our install tool right there. This is 19 feet of wire here, so this is 19 feet to reach the back. This is your rear wire, including the red wire, so if you want to connect it to your rear light, this will give you the backup capability. It'll turn on the unit while you are in reverse. It'll activate its rear camera automatically. Here is the rear camera. Ooh, that's a hefty little rear camera there. Metal. I can already feel that. That's metallic. There it is right there. There's the Vantrue logo on the top. Built really sturdy. And there is an adjuster there. Now this is a surface mount, but if you're somebody like me that's going to have to mount it to something else, I'm going to have to angle it up. This will allow me to put the mounting glue onto this, and then I can mount it looking rear like this. So I'm going to have to face it back. This is meant to mount to a bumper. There it is. Oh, there is some tape right there. So it's some sticky tape. And put that out right there. Protected. There's your rubber straps. You've got 2 of these. Mini screwdriver right there. Mini screwdriver. Screws and mounting plates. Another USB mini cable. Lens cleaner. And then there's here are the other straps. You got some small straps. Right. I'll leave that right there. We can use that for a thumbnail. That's pretty cool. Right. So this thing's got everything. GPS. Specs on this. Here we go. 2.5K 1080p front and rear resolution. So 2.5 front, 1080p rear. Dash cam simultaneously shoots from 2.5 2560 by 1440, 30 frames per second, and rear 1080 1920 by 1080, 30 frames per second. Excellent Starvis night vision. There we go. That's the we'll see open a little wider aperture. We'll see how that works out. We're going to take it into some light changing environments. Real Sony backup camera, smart parking assistance, so it has your smart parking grid. GPS dash cam with live speed GPS, so it tells us what our speed is. So can my phone. GPS dash cam live speed, supports 512 SD card, 512 gigabit. It's let's see, expanded storage, more recordings. And this one, of course, it will auto rotate over as you're filling up. 24-hour parking mode and G sensor triggered by parking mode. Both of front and rear camera will auto power on and start recording whenever an impact is detected. Super capacitor for those temperatures. This is rated up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, which is very hot. Most cars can reach that, of course, in the summer months. 30-day money-back guarantee. There we go. So that's about all I can tell you right now. We're going to get this sucker in the car so we can get some actual footage, because you know the proof is in the driving. And there it is. And let's see, I'm looking for wireless capability. I do not see any in this. So we'll find out. We'll see if the software of this camera is up to snuff with some of the other softwares I've used. So for Dad Random and Vantrue, one of my favorite brands, and there's no question about it. I'm a Vantrue fan. Here we go. I like that date right there, 9/21. So, all right. So later, let's get this puppy in the car and let's test out some footage. Check the video description, like and subscribe. Yes, bye. And yes, Vantrue provided this.